Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RCKT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So there's really two main levels that stand out like a sore thumb. And I'm not trying to come across like this is some sort of discovery on my part or some sort of special talent. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of both these levels, and they're going to be watching. And I emphasize that because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic price movements. And the first level that everybody and their brother's uncle is going to be watching is right up here around $60.50, that being the key breakout point. And while nothing is guaranteed, my core point here is this: it is more than plausible. It is more than a rational thought to have that if the price can get up to 60.50, break up through it, that very well could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. Again, nothing's guaranteed to happen, but that's certainly a rational thought, a plausible thought to have. So keep an eye on $60.50. Definitely going to be a very important level of resistance. And then on the flip side of things, as far as the levels of support and the other, the level everybody's going to be watching, that is going to be right down here at $54.50. I'll change that to green to represent support. But again, same logic. Nothing's guaranteed, but it's definitely plausible to think that if the price were to roll back over, come down around there, and then break to the downside, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So you're going to want to keep an eye on both those levels here. But that's really the big question mark going forward. Who's going to ultimately win out? You have this sideways channel pattern. Are the bulls going to win out with the breakout to the upside? Or are the bears going to win out with the break to the downside? Let's see what happens with it as time continues to go by. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.